All right, here we go. It's time for the big show. First A main with the Mugen MTC2R. Actually, it's not an A main. I'm in the middle of the B. All right, here's the active shock towers on the Mugen. On the front, you don't get much play. It's probably 1 millimeter. On the rear has a massive amount. It's almost like off-road buggy style droop with the active rear tower. Now the towers can be screwed in to lock them in place, but the stock build is with active towers front and rear. So yeah, that's the shock setup on the Mugen MTC2R. All right, here we go. This will be the first ever test drive with the new Mugen. First ever run. Oh, those new tires feel pretty slick, super slick. All right, first test drive. Oh, that's tight. Oh, this is a tight course.
What was that? Did I brake?
Oh, it feels smooth.
Oh yeah, bro.
Could use a bit more
turning.
turning.
All right, folks, just give you an idea of the schedule. We got registration completed. The heats are coming around. We're going to post it manually. We'll be giving you password. We're going to do a driver's meeting at 20 minutes to 10, with the goal to get racing started at 10, by maybe 10 to 10.
This feels good to me. I just got to scrub in the tires. Give me a bit more low-speed turning, and it'll be really good.
Since before the pandemic. So
Hey Colton, do you have your new X-Ray here with the active towers? Cool. Then we can compare. So the new X-Ray has active towers as well as my Mugen has active towers. I need more braking.
John Kerr, 11. Mike is 46.5. Unknown driver, 10-7. Angel 11-3. John Kerr, 11 flat.
11 flat.
Unknown driver, 10-5. Angel 11 flat. Unknown driver, 10-1. New York, 10-6. John C. 10-7.
10-7.
Unknown driver, 10-6.
Just trying to scrub in these tires and get used to this new layout. Okay, this is going to be my first official qualifier with the Mugen MTC2R. I'm running it with the active shock towers. Pretty much a box stock setup. We're going to see how it goes in this first run. Okay, here we go. First run with the Mugen. Now, since I ran those first practice laps this morning, the ride height's been set. Colton checked over some few little minor things. Oh, it feels better. The ride height was wrong before. I had a bit of a rake to it. I had 6.5 in the front and 4 in the rear, and now it's kind of evened out to be around 5 mil. And I might want to fix the towers because they were saying that if it gets twitchy on you like that you might want to fix the towers. So we'll see. I think I'll try qual 2 with the locked-in shock towers, and qual 1 will be with the flexible shock towers.
Start of the race. John K. J. Martin. Crawford. Mark.
Whoa, watch with the... I can't see. Whoa. So this is my first official qualifier. After that one hit to the front, now it kind of pulls a little bit.
8.7 pace, followed by John Kerr in 6th place with a 20 for lap 5 or 1.8 pace, followed by Martin in 6th place with a 19 lap 5 or 1.3 pace. John Sedan.
All right, well, survived it. It felt okay. It gets a little loose in the rear end when you push it, but also steering and the low-speed steering is not there. I could use a little bit more low-speed front bite. So we'll play around with the towers and see what that does. So this was something I was kind of curious about on if hitting to the front end would move these, and it does seem like it has tweaked it just a little bit from just that one qualifier. It's subtle, but it's you know, there's some movement here that wasn't there before. So this side got pushed forward, which I'm surprised at. I thought it would have been a backwards motion, but it seems like it's actually shifted forward. Anyway, it's something I'm going to have to kind of keep an eye on every run, is just kind of set them. Now we're going out for qual 2 with the Mugen. I've fixed the towers and set the ride height and the droop again, so we'll see how it feels now with the towers in a traditional fixed position. All right, this will be first drive with fixed shock towers.
John
Boy, I don't know. It's twitchier
With what?
with the shock towers locked in position.
I'm gonna tell you the active. I really like it.
Yeah, everyone else was saying take active off, but I kind of like it with. Anyway, I'm still testing between them, see if what I like
All right,
more.
I got 2 Steves up there. The second Steve, you're not up there. It doesn't matter, you have to go to the next round, and I can't add you to the seat. The software doesn't allow me to do that. I'd love
All
to
right,
add
we'll see.
you to the
It's a
seat.
little bit twitchier. I don't know.
Sorry, man.
Hard to tell.
The old software I could in an instant.
Yeah,
This new one.
I don't know. It's hard to explain for me. I think I like it active tower more.
Same for me.
Yeah, which everyone else I'm talking
All right,
to has been
straight's
like, no,
closed.
lock it.
Lock it.
The
But
one
I
up.
like it floppy. And you haven't felt my rear. My rears have a lot more than the X-Ray does.
Oh, yeah?
Like the rear has like a centimeter of movement.
Travel.
Yeah.
All right, in less than 10,
Yeah,
Brad
rally
on
shots.
the tone, followed by Pete,
Yeah.
John, and the other Stephen Dempsey. What?
All right.
Brad, Pete, John,
Fixed towers. I still don't have the steering I want though. Initial turn-in is just not there.
All right, next heat's going to be All right, next heat up is going to be Jake, Steven, Prosser. We got Mark, Lynn, and
Definitely
Max.
feels different. Doesn't
Steve,
necessarily
we'll just
feel
have to do your
better.
best and sort it out.
Maybe a little skatier. I don't know. Subtle. I'm starting to get some steering now. Some heat's getting in the tires.
After 1 minute, the top driver took round in first place with a 29 lap 5:03.3 pace, followed by Pete in second place with a 29 lap 5:06.9 pace, followed by John Day in third place with a 28 lap 5:06.7 pace, followed by John Day in second place with a 28 lap 5:03.9 pace, followed
I'll have to compare my sheets to see which was faster.
The top driver took first place with a 28 lap 5:01.4 pace, followed by John Day in second place with a 28 lap 5:08.1 pace.
Oh
All right, on deck, that means Jake, Steven, Mark.
no! Last lap too. I had to screw up on the last lap. Damn.
John Day.
All right.
Heat 9.
All right, everybody's done.
Feeling.
Are finished.
Huh?
The race up next.
Kind of
Try it.
Race number 19.
Just a quick lap. Yeah. See, so this is active tower.
3 of 3. Race order is J. Mark, Maxine.
Yeah, it's subtle. I find that you just don't have the turn in. The initial turn in isn't there.
I need more steering.
Yeah, okay. But my car felt the same. Like with the active towers, the initial turn in wasn't as tight. All right, so I just ran my Qual 2 with the Mugen MTC2R, and I ran fixed towers this time, as well as I used the droop settings that are in the carpet setup in the setup sheets. And while driving it, it felt not necessarily any better to me. It felt like a more traditional car. I just compared my lap times, and I'm faster with fixed towers. So I don't want to run fixed tower, but if it's faster, and it was by 1 second a lap average. Also, I'm just getting used to the car, but I think for today I'm going to continue on fixed tower because I am faster with it, and then I'll look into ways that I can maybe play with active tower in other ways. So for now, I'm going to keep running it with fixed. If you enjoyed that video, hit the like button. If you want to subscribe, you want to talk to me, comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.